Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing your environment and initializing a repository. Create a GitHub repo now, choose private if sensitive data exists, and clone it locally. Once cloned, make sure Git and a credential manager are installed so authentication is smooth. Add your Power BI desktop. PBIX along with any query or parameter files into the repo folder. Commit with a clear message, then push the initial commit to GitHub so your work is backed up and visible for collaboration. You now link development flow and automation to GitHub. Create a branching strategy, main for production, feature branches for changes, push each branch and open pull requests for reviews. Next, set up a GitHub Actions workflow to deploy or publish reports. Use the Power BI REST API steps or community actions. Store service principal keys and tokens in GitHub secrets and reference them in your workflow. Once done, parameterize dataset refreshes so deployments update data sources without manual edits. You finish by reviewing, deploying, and handling issues. Open pull requests for any changes, run CI checks and approvals, then merge into main when tests pass. Trigger the deployment workflow to publish to the Power BI workspace and verify reports and dataset refreshes. If something breaks, check the GitHub Actions logs first, then confirm secrets and API credentials. Make sure you are within rate limits. Finally, rerun the failed job after fixes and document the solution so the team learns from the incident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.